your dolly by the Bari. I can admit I likes to party.
Alright, hi guys. Okay. Did you get the Okay, did you get the scrubbies?
Yeah, I got the scrubbies, the Clorox, the laundry detergent, the paint. I just forgot the toilet paper.
Okay.
Which I'm still in the parking lot, gotta run back there, right?
Okay, man. Alright. So we're picking back up this vlog from the last one. Let's see. Let me tilt the camera down. Wait a minute.
Can I talk about that?
You said daddy? Can you say mommy? Obviously not. So I am going to try. Annie, are you gonna help me? That usually means she's not gonna help me. So this is how the tables are supposed to look. We're gonna see if. No, say mommy. Say mama, 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 mama. Not daddy, daddy. We're gonna see if I can put these together. How does your boy? So I have been wanting some of these tables for the longest. Home Goods and TJ Maxx actually had them, but they were $79 a piece. No, I'm not spending $79 on one table. Found them on Amazon for $50 a piece. Marley's entertaining herself. Let's see what we got here. Alright, so that looks like probably can't see me at all. Oh, this is like advanced. It kind of reminds me of IKEA furniture. So, you know what, guys? It is IKEA furniture. Look at that writing. Let me do some research real quick. Let me go to the IKEA website. Hold on. Yeah, look at this. This is pretty much IKEA furniture. I'm just gonna say it's YAHEE. No results, so let's just type in YAHEE and see what comes up. Nothing comes up. It says, I typed in YAHEE and it says no results. But this is definitely the way YAHEE. This is definitely the way IKEA furniture, like the instructions, everything. Guys, she was supposed to be helping me. Look at her. I wonder if I can put her in her bed. Let's see. Alright, so we are about to start our. Dad's got his gloves on. Hold on, good. Dad's got the gloves on. No glove, no love. We're about to start our demolition project. I'll show you guys in a second what we're doing. Yeah. Alright, so we have to take this down. This entire cover has to come down. That's what we're going to be working on. Mostly him, because I got a face full of makeup. I'll help as much as I can though. Right?
Right.
I wonder if you just pull these out, will everything collapse?
Everybody, this nice little bird nest. That's already not connected. Why did you hit that one? Hit the one at the end. So, yeah, you would hit it that way.
did nothing. I'm not even making it move.
Yeah, no.
Okay, sledgehammers aren't as fun as I thought they were. Come on, bro. No, the cord. Well, 10 minutes later, we got one side off. Progress. Basically, I did it myself. If you want to hire me, my contact info is going to be in the description box below. I do it all. I'm a handyman, I'm a makeup artist. I do it all. Call me. So this is where we are now.
I'll go underneath that and read it and cut that all in half.
Did you know that this is recording the whole time? Did you want it to record?
Yeah.
Many unbearable hours later.
So it's down. It's officially down. Alright, you guys, I'm going to end this vlog, but before I end it, I wanted to show you how the tables looked. I totally forgot. Wow, that pimple is here. I'm about to start my cycle, so they pop up every single time it's time for girly time. But I wanted to show you guys the tables because they are absolutely perfect. I have to cut on the lights that are attached to the bed. Let me get back in the light. The lights that are attached to the bed. Also, you guys, since we knocked that cover down up there, so much sunlight has been getting in the house. Oh my God, especially right here. I had to move my vanity back over here because Justin said that he wants to put, like, what do you call, y'all? The ottomans, not an ottoman, but the ones that you put in the bedroom that usually people put in front of their beds. He wants to put it in front of this window, and I said it was a great idea, so I moved my ring light and vanity back there. I don't know how I'm gonna record like makeup videos now because it's back there, but anyway, this is what it looks like. I absolutely love it. Excuse that big paint stain. We are getting these carpets changed in about 3 weeks. It is super functional. Again, it looks like the IKEA, I put all my cords in there. It looks like the IKEA Alex drawers. Super easy to assemble. I love it. It's the perfect size next to the bed. The Alex drawers that we had next to the bed were a little too high, but these are perfect. Look at that. That's awesome. And you guys remember those picture frames that I got from IKEA? I just got Marley's pictures, her 8-month picture blown up, and I just put her picture in there. We set them both next to the bed. I think I want to take them a little higher. I don't know. What do you guys think? Leave it in the comment section if I should take the pictures a little bit higher. I wanted to show you guys these because I just thought these were so cute. So these little stands here, I'll show you how it looks. That's how it looks without the candle, and the garland is not attached to it. The garland is from the dollar spot at Target. This is from Hobby Lobby. I got this for $10. They were $10 a piece. And of course, just some TJ Maxx candles. I wanted the candles to match the decor, so I just got some plain white ones. I will not be burning these because I just love my Bath and Body Works candles so much. But I just love the way this look. It's simple. Also, the garland from Target, they do have other colors, and I think I want to go back and get the, like, there was like a reddish brown color that I want to use for fall when I do change out the pillows and everything for fall. You guys remember, I don't know if I ever showed you this, but this piece here this piece here, this wooden piece here, we actually had that for like a curtain rod at the top up here. It was one really long piece. I literally cut this in half and oh, my picture's crooked. Hold on. And somebody's calling me. Why is he calling me and he's outside? Hello?
Hey,
Hey.
can you bring me one of those razor blades?
Razor blades? We got small razor blades?
Remember that little cup that you said you would put in the drawer for me? Razor blades?
In the kitchen?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Give me 1 second. I gotta put shoes on.
Okay, get my shoes on.
Okay. Bye. Alright, I'll be back. Why were you looking at me like that? What's so funny? Oh my god. Oh goodness. Oh, mama, so funny. I just cut that in half and hung it. And you guys know the other one is in the front of the house. Super easy DIY. You can go get a piece of wood. I wish I would have made it a little bit thicker. Go get a piece of wood. Get these little hooks here. You can find them for $1 probably on Amazon. And just drill that in the wall. And you got you a little hanger here. I love it. But yep, we're gonna end this vlog. Justin is outside taking down the gutters. We got one gutter down, Mars. One gutter down, like 5 more to go. We will see you guys in the next vlog. Say bye. Say bye, Mars.